Welcome to lesson 137. Number 1, 30 divided by 6. 6 times something equals 30. 2. What is the time 30 minutes after 5:15? 30 minutes after means I'm going to add 30. So let's see. Be 5 and 0 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then bring down the 5. Be 5:45. 3. 22 plus 55 plus 19. However you want to add this up is fine. 4. 638 plus 222. 5. Round 61 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10, I have my ones place. Here's my tens place. So I'm going to round this number. Either it's going to stay as a 6 or go to a 7. But it all depends on the number in the ones. If it's 5 or greater, I'm going to round up. And if it's less than 5, I round down. Or you can just ask yourself, the nearest tens are 60 or 70. Is 61 closer to 60 or 70? It's closer to 60. 40 times 7, I multiply 4 and the 7 and then add a 0. 7. Choose a description that matches the picture. 27 divided into 3 equal shares. 27 divided into 9 equal shares. So I have 1, 2, 3. Be 3 equal shares. 35 divided by 7. What number times 7 equals 35? So 7 times something equals 35. Number 9 is about measuring. If you have a ruler, go ahead and do it. If not, you could skip it. 10. What fraction is shaded? Fill in the missing numerator. So I have my total, the denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what's shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4. So be 4 ninths. 11. 500 take away 134. I could do that trick where I take 1 from here, 1 from here, and I will get 499. Take away 133. This way I don't have to borrow. 9 take away 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. This would be 6, it's the same thing. 4 take away 1 is 3. Get 366. 12. The grocer weighed 810 grams of plums for Maria's lunch. He then weighed 616 grams of cherries. How many more grams of plums did Maria buy than cherries? How many more? It's a clear indicator. It's going to be a takeaway problem to find the difference. So 810 take away 616. 0 take away 6. I cannot do it because this number is smaller than the number at the bottom. Borrow from here. This becomes a 0. This is a 10. 10 take away 6 is 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 0 take away 1. I can't do that. I need to borrow again. This will become a 7. And I have 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. And 7 take away 6 is 1. 194. That's how many more grams. 13. Harry wants to make a miniature quilt using 1 by 1 inch fabric squares. He wants to have a small perimeter. Which arrangement will give Henry the smallest perimeter? Explain. So perimeter is the measurement outside of the shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the perimeter for each one, and I'm going to see which one has the smallest perimeter. So this is 1, and then on this, the length from here to here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 1 square, so it's going to be 1, and then the opposite side is going to be 12, because it's going to be the same measurement from here to here. Now let's see, 12 and 12 is 24, plus 1 more, and 1 more, 24, 25, 26. 26. I'll put P equals 26. That's the perimeter for this. Now I have to look over here. I'll measure 1, 2, 3. This side is 3. This side is going to be 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here. 3 and 3 is 6. Plus 4 more is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 here. Perimeter 14. So I have 26 for perimeter here. 14 for the perimeter here. And let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This must be 6 then. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. P equals 16. Perimeter for this is 16. So they wanted the one with the smallest perimeter. Well, it's going to be B at 14 because we have 26 here and 16 over here. 13 is B. And you see how I had to go through each one. I couldn't just take a lucky guess by looking at the shapes. I had to actually do all the work for each one to be sure. 14. The number line is divided into 4 equal parts. Fill in the missing fractions. Missing fractions. 0, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's cut up into fourths. So the bottom number is going to be 4. 0 over 4, 1, 2, 3, and this will be 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is equal to 1 whole. 15. The frog jumped a total of 64 inches. If it made 8 identical jumps, how long was each jump? 64 and be divided into 8 because they made 8 identical jumps, which would equal 8. How long was each jump? Would be 8 inches. Great, that's it for lesson 137. Thank you for watching.